Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone any particular application in your Android device. So let's start by going to the settings of your Android device. Then once you are inside the settings, what you're going to need to do is simply head down, and here you can see the option of applications. So click on the apps option, and from here you can see app cloner. This creates app clones and run them at the same time. So click here, and then here you can see these three applications, and if you don't want to create for these three applications and some other application, so simply click onto the other apps, and then you need to select that particular application. So for example, I want to create an app clone of Adobe Scan. So what I'm going to do is simply click here and then click on this create app clone option, and it will create an application clone. So let's see if the work has been done. If I go back to my home screen, here you can see that this is the cloned app or the Adobe Scan. And if I open my app drawer, here you can see the two identical Adobe Scan applications, of which this one is the clone marked by this particular icon at the bottom right. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.